Did you know that the most common question I receive from consumers is, how do I know if my credit score is accurate? And they ask that question because a lot of times when they come to me, they want to say, I have my Credit Karma login. Can you just use that? And my answer is no, because those scores are not accurate. You're only getting 2 bureaus. And the other thing is that it is powered. Their scoring model is powered by Vantage 3.0. No creditor and no lender is using that scoring model to approve you or to deny you a credit card or a loan. So I don't use Vantage 3.0 scoring model systems like Credit Karma. You also, as a consumer, want to be careful because when you sign up for those free systems, they're free for a reason. They have to be paid some kind of way, right? So when you go into those platforms and you start seeing you may be pre-approved for this or pre-qualified for that, that's because when you fill in one of those applications, that's how that company makes money, because they're selling your information. So for accuracy, I recommend Experian, MyFICO, and MyScoreIQ. So Experian, of course, is a household name. It gives you 4 to 5 different scoring models. MyFICO has been around for years as well, and they give you 27 different scoring models, and they can be industry specific. A lot of people in the mortgage industry will appreciate you having a MyFICO account. I personally use MyScoreIQ. It works well in my software. It's easy for my clients to read. It gives you 9 different scoring models. It can be industry specific, so it gives you auto, mortgage, bank card, and credit card, just to name a few. And it's only a $1 trial to try it. MyFICO is $40 to try, where MyScoreIQ is only $1 for 7 days to at least know where you stand when it comes to your personal credit. You can go to creditladymonitor.com to learn more.